everybody, Shane McCarthy here from Swift Pain Relief, here today to introduce you to the Hideout HD Percussion Massage Therapy Gun. This thing is a little bit different than most of the massage guns that you will see on the market currently, and this is why. It's got a very, very long handle and it's very elongated, which allows you to reach those hard to reach places. It comes with 5 different attachments. You've got this one here, the regular one that you see on most massage therapy guns, a flat one, a perforated one, one for deep tissue and grinding out knots. And then this one is very good for up and down your spine and around the Achilles tendon area. A couple of things that set this gun apart from the rest is the fact that you have to screw the attachments in. A lot of the guns, it's a push in and pull out type of accessory, and you can run into problems down the road from that. Now, when you turn the gun on, you hold the power button, which is right here, until it turns on. You got slow, medium, and fast. This is where you get to see the action of the gun and how far down my back I can reach. And as well, because the handle is weighted nicely, you can let the massage gun do a lot of the work for you by just resting it on your back, whereas a lot of other massage guns that you can get, you need to really push down in order for them to actually work, and then they will stall, making the gun not even work. So this, I'm letting the gun do the work for me, going all the way down to my middle back. It's very nice and easy to use. You can check out swiftpainrelief.com for these devices. This is also included in the Pro Premium package with our Wireless Pro device, so reach out to us on Instagram at Swift Pain Relief or email us at info@swiftpainrelief.com. Again, check our website out, swiftpainrelief.com, and let us know if you have any questions.